This is Nana Paula J. I'm getting ready to fish my chicken. Yes, I have chicken thighs. These are the chicken thighs that I'm cook. What I'm gonna do, I wash the chicken out real good, so I'm gonna put Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce in there, give it that flavor. Put my pan on. Soy sauce. Okay, let you see that what I'm doing. Put soy sauce on there. Let that sit for a minute. Put that over here. Wash my hands. Okay, what I'm gonna do? Put a little oil in the pan. Got my oil. That's a little oil. I have my garlic, and what I'm gonna put in there too. I hope everyone having a great Monday. Start off your week. I hope it's good. I'm gonna put about 3 garlics in there. Peel the skin off of it. See, now we cut the end of it. Okay, I have my garlic. Put it over here. Wash my garlic off. I have 3 cloves. Before I do that, I'm gonna put the chicken in there. Let it simmer. Quick and easy. Okay, next, I'm gonna do my garlic. I'm gonna put garlic in there. Once I saute the chicken, I'm pan frying. I love garlic, and it's good for you too. Real good. Okay, I'll put that to the side. I have my red pepper that I'm gonna cut up. And I'm gonna put everything in there, and I'm gonna let it simmer. I also have my green pepper. I got my dog entertainment. She playing with her toy. So you hear that noise, that's my dog. Okay. Cut this in long pieces. Put this to the side. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm trying to set my camera. Okay. This is my red pepper and garlic. Next, I have my onions. My red onion. Little red onion. Put this to to the side. I'm gonna put the onions in there, let it simmer. And next, I'm also gonna have my shine. Let you see this. I'm gonna wash it out first. Let you see it. I'm gonna put that in there, give it that flavor. Wash it off. I'm gonna cut the bottom part off. Put it to the side. And I'm gonna chop it up. Give it that flavor, that sweet shine. Put this to the side. Okay. And see how my chicken doing. Smelling good, my chicken. Yeah. Trying to get my camera together. Well, I just hold it up how you see it. I have my oil in there, just a little oil. Make sure it's and it make it tender, the soy sauce. Make sure you get done. Yes, it get in there. Once it get done, well, simmer, then I'm gonna start putting my vegetables and seasoning all in there. Smelling good. This is chicken. The chicken was already cut up where I bought. They cut it in these pieces. Let you see it. I like the way they cut it. In small pieces. You cook it until it's done. At least, you know, make sure all the so you won't see any raw meat. I make sure it's done before I start putting in my vegetables and stuff. And what I'm doing, I'm just simmering the chicken, and I'm gonna put all my vegetables in there. Then I'm gonna put my seasoning. I'm gonna start putting my seasoning in there now. Okay, the type of seasoning I have, I got turmeric powder. Stick it in there. Just a little bit. I love the way they smell. Give it that curry flavor. Next, I'm gonna put my black pepper in there. Then put my basil leaf in there. Next, I have this seasoning. Very good. Put it in there, sprinkle it in there. You see it? Smelling good. And I fix my mashed potatoes. It's not from scratch. It is the instant potatoes. If you're talking about time, hey, sometimes you have to do the instant. You can see that. And now I'm going to start putting in my vegetables. I make sure my phone is right. Picture. I know you can't see it, but I'm trying to keep it steady. See? Okay, I'm going to start putting my vegetables in. Okay. I'm going to put my chives in there. My garlic. And I cut up. Give it that garlic flavor. My red pepper and green pepper, bell pepper, and my onions. This gonna make it tender. Ooh, I'm sorry. Sneeze. And let you see it. I wish you can smell it. I'm gonna move this to the side. It smells so good. And it make it tender too. See my red peppers and my chicken all in there. You know when the chicken done when it start falling off the bone. You see the chicken? With that beautiful color. And I'm going to let that kind of simmer for a minute until the vegetables get soft. Once it gets soft, then it's done. It don't take long to cook. Smelling good. Trying to set the camera so you can see it. You have the vegetable getting tender. Oh, that smells so good. That soy sauce, it give it that flavor. And you can cover it just for a minute once it's covered. Just keep it covered. It smells so good. Like I said, you know when that meat done when you don't see that pink stuff. And you can cover it and let it simmer for a minute. But since I'm making a video, I'm going to let you continue to watch it cook. You see how the vegetables getting tender? And this is my Monday dinner. You see? It getting done. When they start falling off the bone and everything, you know it's done. Smothered chicken with vegetables. My dog back there loud playing with the toy. You know how it is with the dog. Yeah. But yeah, they look delicious. Let's see. Is it done? Let's see. Yep, it's getting there. See how tender it is? It's falling off the bone. Yes. Make sure you subscribe, click like. This is Nana Paula J. Is fixing, is making her Monday dinner, smothered chicken with vegetables. And mashed potatoes she's gonna eat with it. See, getting there. I'm trying to work it with, hold the camera with one hand and trying to cook in the other hand. Oh yeah, it's getting there, yeah. And it takes less than 30 minutes to cook. Once you clean the chicken and put Worcestershire sauce on it, I said Worcestershire sauce, well, soy sauce on it, and let it sit probably about 5 or 10 minutes, let it soak in, and then put a little oil in the pan and put your chicken in there. And you start sauteing. And then you start putting your ingredients in there, then your vegetables and everything, and let it cook down. Less than 30 minutes. Okay, it's done. I want my phone to fall. Let me get it set. Fall. Okay. And they sell it. I have my mashed potato already cooked. These are instant potatoes. Yes, instant. Put a little butter on there. And next, I'm going to get my spoon. I want to one without the holes in it so I can get the juice and put over the potato. Okay. Work with this. Put it on there. Oh, they look good. See, they're falling off the bone. Put a little vegetables in there. Let me cut that out. Oh, look at that. Put it right over the potatoes. Okay. Put it in there. Let you see it. First, I want to get a little juice in there. Put it on the potatoes. Don't that look good? Make sure you subscribe and click like. This is Nana Paula J finishing up her Monday dinner. Smothered chicken with bell pepper, red pepper, onions, and chive, and garlic, and potato, mashed potato. Make sure you subscribe and click like. This is Nana Paula J doing her Monday dinner. less than 30 minutes. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, click like, and share. Have a great Monday. Bye.